So today we're going to be talking about squares and square roots, and we're going to start with perfect squares. So a square number is also called a perfect square, and it's a number that is the square of a whole number. It can be represented by arranging objects in a square. So for example, if we're talking about these circles, one circle has an area of one circle. 4 circles right here, the area is 4, is a square made up of 2 circles by 2 circles. 4 circles, which is an area, represents 2 circles by 2 circles. We can make a 3 by 3 square by putting 9 circles together. So 3 side lengths, 9 is the area. And we can make a 4 by 4 square by arranging 4 rows of 4 circles. So these are 4 examples of square numbers. 1, 4, 9, and 6 are perfect squares because you can arrange them in such a way to create a quite literal perfect square. So a 16 square would be a 4 by 4 square. A 9 perfect square would be a 3 by 3 square, and so on and so on. So your job is to pause this video and calculate the perfect squares up to 15. What I want you to do is multiply the number by itself all the way up to 15. So we've done 1 through 4 here. I want you to do 5 times 5 and give me the perfect square for those. 6 times 6, give me the perfect square. 7 times 7, give me the perfect square. All the way up to 15. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. 25 is the perfect square. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 is a perfect square. 49 is the next perfect square. 64 is the next perfect square. 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, and 225. Now I want to look and see if these are perfect squares or not. 16. So if 16 is a perfect square, that means that there is a number that you can multiply by itself to give you 16. And there is a number, and it's 4. So 16 is a perfect square because 4 times 4 equals 16. Well, what about 15? Is there a number that you can multiply by itself to give you 15? Nope, there's not. All right, what about 146? Nope, there's a close perfect square and it's 144, but 146, there's no number times itself to give you exactly 146. And then 324. Is 324 a perfect square? Yes, it is. Because 18 times 18 gives you 324.